Publishers using Google Ad Manager now has the option to enable large display ads of various sizes that can go as big as the size of the viewport. This is currently only available on mobile web. These ads can compete for impressions on eligible ad slots as users scroll through the content on the site. This is an example of the expanded mobile web ad from Google. In this particular demo, we can see an expanded full-screen ad in a typical inline banner placement that appears as a user scrolls through the page on a mobile device. This can help publishers with compatible content types such as blogs more effectively monetize scroll-based user experiences. There are a couple of eligibility requirements for expansion in mobile web for full-screen ads. Expanded full-screen ads like this one are currently eligible to render only in the first slot below the fold on mobile web for open auction and first look. The ad slot should also be greater than 240 pixels in height. To facilitate optimal user experience, these full-screen expanded ads have a frequency cap applied so that they only show once on every page accessed by the user. To enable expanded ads on mobile, go to Google Ad Manager, navigate to Admin, and click on Global Settings. You'll then see the network settings. Enable the ad expansion for mobile web partial screen slider. This setting is a prerequisite for the full-screen ads to render on page. Next, turn on the ad expansion for mobile web full screen. Then click Save. Once these are enabled, you can check how the expanded ad is performing versus other ad experiences by adding the ad experiences dimension in your Google Ad Manager report.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.